Mr. Incredible becoming canny is an incredible evolution of the original Mr. Incredible becoming uncanny genre. In the last video constructed on this channel regarding the topic, the fact that this meme has been going strong for roughly a year was explored, and the prediction that it would continue to evolve now confirmed. Although this trend technically began in late December, it wouldn't be until the efforts of Reddit user Insane Living that would see the template most commonly used today, which was posted on the 31st of December and is now absolutely exploding throughout early January 2022. It's fascinating to watch something so popular at the end of 2021 retain that energy throughout the beginning of 2022, pushing itself past the discerning eyes of online spaces with ease. They've become a vehicle for storytelling in a manner few other meme structures manage to achieve, as the audience needs to sit and watch the entire video in order to reach multiple punchlines. This longer format of roughly 20 seconds or so is rare, as content that is able to reach its audience in a couple of moments is generally the most efficient and consequently quickest to spread. It marks a perhaps brief shift in the attention span of audiences, clearly wishing to experience the bizarre nature of the ever-increasing intense representation of Mr. Incredible becoming canny. It's interesting how, even though this is supposed to be the good ending of the original tragedy, there's still large elements of discomfort and menace on display. After all, slowly turning into an unnameable monstrosity is not something people generally wish for, and yet we're loving watching a childhood cartoon character warping into a cosmic horror. Perhaps this shift can begin to be observed between the panels depicting him smiling earnestly and the next in which his eyebrows start looking kind of angry. There's a huge difference between emotions conveyed with downturned eyebrows and those that would be upturned, and from this point onward we see Mr. Incredible also becoming more and more deep-fried, hence the intense feelings one gets from watching his face become more and more twisted. That said, 99% of the time they depict something optimistic and positive, which just goes to show that the manner in which we interpret good things can be accompanied by some pretty twisted imagery, often with a biblically accurate angel featuring as the final panel. On another note, people have also started using other Incredibles characters from what appears to be the same post of hyper-real experiments, posted by Nathan Shipley way back in October 2020. Perhaps the switch to a more positive outlook stems from the arrival of the new year, as there is so much potential for people to achieve good things as the year wears on. Essentially, Mr. Incredible becoming canny marks yet another evolution in this particularly strong meme, and as such it is likely many will be keeping a close eye on where it heads to next. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!